Before we get started on our gentle workout today, I want to remind you that my Pilates for You 30-day challenge starts September 1st, 2022. The link is below to join us, and I would love to have you there. We are doing a gentle Pilates workout today that does not involve being on your knees at all, so we can protect those knees if kneeling doesn't feel good to you. We are going to start on our backs. So I want you to lay down and find a comfortable spot where your feet are flat, about hip distance apart. And you're going to inhale, arms come up and all the way back behind you. Nice big inhale, fill your lungs. And then exhale, arms come back down to your sides. Inhale, arms reach up and back. And exhale, arms come back down. So we'll do just a couple more here. This is a great way to just kind of tell your body that a movement routine is coming. It taps into your breath. It lets you find a little bit of a rhythm and a pattern here. And this routine is perfect for anyone needing a little more gentle movement, or if you're a beginner to Pilates, this is a great place to start. Last one. Exhale, arms come down. Take another inhale for me. And then exhale, you're going to curl your tailbone. And I want you to feel like you're just rocking and lifting your tail a little bit off your mat. And then you're going to roll it back down. All right, so the exhale curls into a little bit of a bridge, which we're going to work into here. And an inhale rolls you down. So you might feel like you're lifting 1 inch. You might feel like you're lifting a few inches. Anything is fine. Okay, I want this workout to meet you wherever you are today. Whatever season of life you're in, I want this workout to be able to meet you there. I want you to feel encouraged. I want you to feel strong in your own body. All right, now if you're ready, you're going to exhale and continue to roll up a little bit higher into what we call a bridge in Pilates. I have a straight line here. I'm going to inhale at the top and then exhale to curl and roll back down. So the purpose here is trying to articulate your spine, meaning we're trying to roll one vertebrae at a time. Inhale at the top, exhale to roll down. A lot of times we end up getting really stiff throughout different parts of our spine, and we want to remind it how to move. Okay, roll up on this one. Stay here. When you inhale, bring those arms back again. Let them land on the ground, and then exhale to curl and roll down. Inhale, arms float down. Exhale, curl and roll up. Inhale, arms come back. And then exhale, curl all the way back down. Nice job. Let's slide our hands behind our heads. So I want your thumbs at the base of your skull and your elbows are wide. Take that inhale again. Exhale, you're going to lift your head, maybe lift your chest, and then inhale back down. So I like to call this a chest lift. You have probably heard that word crunch before, but I don't want you to think about a crunch. I don't want you to think about a sit-up. Sometimes those can make us a little bit stressed or a little bit nervous if we've had pain with them before. Think of this as simply trying to tuck your chin and seeing if you can maybe get those shoulder blades off the mat and back down. Roll up. Stay here for me. Twist to your left. Come back to center. Twist to the right. Back to center. And lower back down. Come up again. Exhale. Twist to your right now. And then center. Left. Center. and roll back down. And release your arms. Great job. Straighten the left leg out, pull the right knee in, and give it a really big squeeze. And then hold behind the leg and reach it up, and then bend. So just moving in a really controlled fashion. That's one thing that will make your body feel safe, is if you are working to help control the motion and if you're repeating the motion. So a workout like this can be done every day, especially if you're beginning or trying to recover from an injury. And by doing something over and over consistently, it actually starts to tell the body that it is in a safe place, that it's something that's comfortable to do. Reach your leg up, stay here. If you can, release the leg, and I want you to draw little circles in the air. So these are called leg circles in Pilates. Many times we'll do them nice and big. Here we're just keeping them again in that controlled range of motion. Switch directions. And if you want, if it feels better, you can do this with a bent knee. Just like this. Nice job. Pull the knee in. Now I want you to bring the knee to the left for a little bit of a twist, and then maybe you can reach the right arm out and turn to look at the right. And then come back in, and let's switch legs. So the right leg reaches out, the left leg pulls in. Give it a good squeeze. We want that squeeze for the joints. And then hold behind the leg, reach it up, and then bend. Last two. Last one, reach it up, release the arms down, and little circles. Nice job. Reverse directions here. Again, bending that knee if you need to. And then hug it in. Bring the knee to the right. You're going to turn and look to the left. And then come back to center. Hug those knees in. And roll to your left side. So we're going to have your head in your hand. Have your knees bent. Your feet are lined up with your tail. Then I'm going to reach my right leg out. Okay, so it's in line with my hip, and I want it nice and straight, toes pointed, and I'm going to draw little circles here too. So again, it's a controlled motion. I'm trying to keep my hips stacked, trying to keep my shoulders stacked, and this starts to get us into a common position in Pilates, side lying, with these little circles to work the outside of our hip. Switch directions. And if it's more comfortable, you can always just lay flat here. And 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring that leg down. You're going to carefully and slowly come up. Go ahead and give yourself a little stretch over to the side. And we're going to lay down on our right side. So you're just going to find the same position here. Everything's stacked. Reach that left leg out. And circles. Feel like I'm standing at that foot, pulling on it. So we're really lengthening that leg. We're trying to find some of that kind of joint traction, reaching out. So you're using the muscles already just to find the position. You're always really purposeful in your movement. 3. Nice job. And let's come up and find a side stretch. Nice restack. And we're going to bring our legs out in front, mat distance apart, arms come up. Inhale, exhale, reach forward. Inhale, restack, sweep your arms around. We're gonna do 2 more like that. So exhale, reach, 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 reach. Inhale. This is a version of spine stretch forward. And then inhale, restack. And bring your arms down to your sides. And great job. So you can always find the full length version of these workouts in my unlimited program. You can find the link below. And I hope that gave you a great movement without having you get on your hands and knees. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I have new videos that come out. You can find more, including my exclusive unlimited community with full-length workouts, a workout calendar, recipes, and more over at jessicavalantpilates.com. Join our unlimited program. I would love to see you there.